Hi Apoorva,
Hi, sir.
congratulations
Thank you, sir.
for your selection in Cognizant.
Yes, sir.
I really appreciate Amma, your hard work and at the same time your patience.
Yes, sir.
So, which domain you got selected, Amma?
Cognizant,
Domain,
process executive.
Okay, process executive in the
Yes.
finance and accounting domain.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Finance and accounting only, right?
Yes.
Great. So, how do you know about SV and because there are lot of institutions are
Yes,
there in
sir.
the market. Why only SV?
So actually, after my MBA, I've gone through many of websites like institutions. I've researched many of things, but I went to demo classes also. I was not satisfied. So one day, my brother suggested this after seeing all the reviews, and he was okay. And he suggested me once you go for the demo class so that you will get a clarity. After first class of demo class, I have decided to be a part of SP Professions.
Nice. You got in the one class only. You got a clarity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice. So, what you learn, because the spending of the time is one thing, and the learning of the things are more important.
Yes, sir.
So, how we are teaching, okay, that's fine. But how your learning is also important in
Yes,
the
sir.
prospect. So, what your experience in this?
So lots of experience actually. As a fresher, I've learned so much of things. What about the companies, how people work there, and how to be part of the MNCs. All after going home, first I used to revise fresh up, and I used to revise all things. What Sudhir sir, Praveen sir, Kondareddy sir, and also Varun sir, Abid sir. Also, these are
Yes.
the Abid sir class. Also is a great thing.
One of
That
the great experience.
Yes, yeah, yes, sir.
About the stage fear and everything, right?
Yes, sir. First, I think I should say about the mock interviews. It is very important for every student.
True.
Yeah. First mock interviews was very bad actually.
Your experience
Yes,
was
very bad. So later I thought that no, this is not
this
the
is
correct
not the
thing.
way.
After Abitsar classes also gone through much improvement on my communication skills and also confidence.
Great, Amma, great.
Yeah.
When I saw the Apoorva, she is different now. Whatever
Yes, sir.
in
Yes.
front of camera, you are speaking with this much of confidence. That is
Yes.
not that much easy.
Yes,
I
sir.
really appreciate your confidence,
Thank
Amma.
you.
So that is what I given a good job to you.
Yes, all about only SP sir. You, Praveen sir, you have lots of patience actually.
That's our duty actually we are doing
Yes.
our level best to the society.
Yes.
So always we treat our students as my kid.
Yes, sir.
I need to guide them, I need to teach them, so whatever the support I can able to do it.
Yes.
So always, because from your starting to till you are going in company,
Yes,
so I
sir.
always thought to give my best to students. That is the
Yes.
reason whenever I scold or whenever I
Yeah.
think my students will feel, "Arey, my brother," okay, they will
Okay.
feel good, Amma, good. So do your best. Okay, getting
Yeah.
of the job is one thing, and proving and developing is one thing.
Yes, sir.
So I have a confidence that my all students till
Yes.
now, many more than 5,500 students got
Yeah,
placed.
yeah.
No
Yes.
one is came back.
Yes,
So
sir.
everyone
True.
is succeeded their life.
Yes,
So
sir.
I also my all support and blessings with you.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations. Do
Thank
your
you,
best.
sir.